Pag-usapan natin yung laro ng San Miguel Beer at saka ng Terra Firma kanina. So sa likod ko naglalaro po yung Rain or Shine at saka Talk and Text. Let's talk about it on my other video. I just want to say first, congratulations po sa San Miguel Beer, man. I was trained for this. Nag-train ako sa broadcasting, maingay talaga. Anyway, expected naman talaga na San Miguel Beer mananalo, but good effort sa Terra Firma. I just wanted to say grabe yung nilaro ni Junmar Fajardo. And talagang nado-dominate niya talaga yung PBA because angat siya sa karamihan eh. Halos lahat angat siya talaga. Ilan lang yung players na talaga makakasabay sa kanya sa skills niya, sa galing niya. So pag mag-dominate talaga siya or pag mamuwersa talaga siya sa loob, talagang kayang-kaya bro eh. Tapos one of the reasons bakit nanalo ang San Miguel Beer is itong si Terence Romeo, very aggressive and talagang talagang parang vintage Terence Romeo. Kala mo yung yung mga unang Terence Romeo na kilala natin eh. Although the good thing about this, although this is expected naman na San Miguel Beer talaga yung manalo because talaga naman from the starting five to the tag dito sa bench nila, lahat pwedeng whether we like to admit it or not, kayang talunin yung Terra Firma. So although sana magpatuloy yung development ng Terra Firma. I believe they have something going on. So on this video, I wanna just commend them. Nakita ko sa labas kanina si Tiongson. He played well. Si Stephen Holt, he played well. Hopefully mag-stick sila longer. Add one more big guy talaga na patapat kay Junmar Fajardo. I think they can be maganda na yung nila pinapakita nila eh. Actually start pa lang na season okay na sila, hindi katulad dati na talaga start pa lang alam mo na hindi maganda magsisimula ng season eh. But I like to commend them. Sana kung nanonood o nakikinig ang team ng Terra Firma, I hope they don't trade Tiongson and Stephen Holt and they continue to keep stronger. Natutuwa ako kasi marami akong fans na ito hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino. Maraming pati SMC, SMB, SMC, mga ibang fans. Nasabi nila na okay daw sa kanila yung nangyayari sa Terra Firma. And they like it kasi rin sila sa PBA. Kumbaga concerned din sila sa PBA because lagi nila sinasabi na pare-pareho lang na nanalo. It doesn't have to be yung talagang drastic change. But I guess the good change that we're looking for para sa Terra Firma is not to make any trades, at least according to the fans, no? And if they're gonna make a trade, sana yung talagang may pakinabang sin sila for the long term. So yun lang. But congratulations San Miguel Beer. Feeling ko baka sila pa mag-champion na naman eh. Ayun sa akin lang yun Ano sa tingin niyo guys?